If your tech news is more blah, then wow, you're in the right place. Welcome to Tech Bytes. First up, AMD's new Ryzen AI 9HX 370 mobile chip is making waves with 50 trillion operations per second. It outshines Qualcomm in mobile gaming, but Qualcomm's Snapdragon X Elite still rules in battery life. In other news, AMD's Ryzen 9000 desktop CPUs might be delayed due to a packaging typo. Despite this hiccup, the Ryzen 9000 promises stellar performance. SpaceX nailed another Falcon 9 launch bouncing back from an engine failure, but Boeing's Starliner spacecraft faces delays, leaving 2 astronauts stuck on the ISS. US senators want the FTC to investigate car makers for selling your data. Hyundai and Honda allegedly sell car data for just 26 cents per vehicle. Logitech's CEO is toying with a forever mouse idea. Think of it like a luxury watch with a subscription for updates. Apple's AI features missed the iOS 18 launch, but are available in the iOS 18.1 beta. MIT's new transistor for flash memory chips doesn't degrade, even after 100 billion switches. This means faster and denser storage in the future. That's all for today's Tech Bytes. Stay tuned for more updates.